Are you new to Instagram and unsure of how to create an account? Fear not, this guide will walk you through the process, step by step. First things first, download the Instagram app from either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store to your mobile device. Search for Instagram and tap Install or Get to download it. Once the app is installed, open it. You'll be greeted with a sign-in screen. Since you're creating a new account, tap on Sign Up with email or phone number. If you're an iPhone user, choose Create New Account. Next, enter your mobile number or email address. Remember, this contact information will be linked to your Instagram account, so choose wisely. After entering your details, tap Next. Instagram then prompts you to create a username and password. Your username should be unique and represent you or your brand. It's how people will find you on Instagram, so make it count. Your password should be strong and secure to protect your account. Tap Next once you've entered these details. The app now asks for your full name and birthday. Your full name can be your real name, a nickname, or your business name. Your birthday won't be publicly visible, but you need to be at least 13 years old to create an account. After filling out these details, tap Next. Congratulations, you've just created your Instagram account. But you're not done yet. Instagram will suggest some popular accounts to follow. You can choose to follow these accounts or skip this step. You can always follow more accounts later. Finally, Instagram will ask you to add a profile picture. This can be a photo of you, a logo, or any image that represents you or your brand. Tap Add a photo to choose a picture from your device, or you can skip this step and add a photo later. To summarize, the steps to create an Instagram account are as follows. 1. Download and install the Instagram app. 1. Open the app and tap Sign Up with email or phone number. 1. Enter your mobile number or email address and tap Next. 1. Choose a unique username and secure password, then tap Next. 1. Provide your full name and birthday, then tap Next. 1. Follow some suggested accounts or skip this step. 1. Add a profile picture or skip this step and add one later. And there you have it. You're now ready to explore the world of Instagram. Happy posting!